Come test drive the 2016 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 2-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, audio, speed-sensitive volume control, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows, power steering, oil monitor. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.